Hey there, it's Brittany. It's one of my favorite days of the month. The March Magical Mystery Bead Box is here. Haven't taken a peek yet. Let's see. Oh, strawberry fields. I love strawberry looking things. Oh my gosh, that's so cute. Oh my gosh, this looks like candy. Oh, okay. Okay. Freshly picked beads. That's so cute. They have the best branding. I love that. So I'll put this here while I unbox. The first thing I'm seeing are these Hishis. So Strawberry Forever Hishi bead strand. So cute. This looks like a candy, like candy wafer necklace. Love that. Sorry, I've been painting. My hands are covered in paint. Oh my God, I can't stand this. This is the cutest strand I've ever seen in my life. I need a moment. It's so cute. Okay, also, just so you know, there's a link, and it's an affiliate link in the description of this video. And I only react like this when I see stuff that's just ridiculously cute, and I actually love, love, love. So yes, this is an affiliate link, but I would go buy these because look at the strawberries and the turquoise, and oh my gosh, I'm so happy. This is the strawberry lampwork strand. This is so cute. I'm thinking I'm gonna make a bracelet because I really want to wear these strawberries. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, that's so cute. Ready to bloom pendant. So AB pendants. Okay, so it's just like little leaves. It's so funny because every month this year I've been like, this is my favorite box ever from Jessie James Beads. But this one really is my favorite box this year so far because it's so cute. Like literally I have the dumbest smile on my face and I'm giggling because it's so cute. Oh, look at these. Look at that heart. It's so cute. Oh my gosh. I kind of like don't want to use this and I want to go buy another box. This is so adorable. Oh my gosh, look at that ceramic melon. It is gorgeous. We are making a bracelet for sure. Not in this video, but I will have one by the end of the month, hopefully. Oh, this is so fun. Look at this big heart and these beaded beads. I'm dying. Okay. Now we've got, what is this? Oh, what was the name of this? I was freaking out. Sweethearts. That's such a cute thing. And then what are these? Strawberry Seeds Rose Gold Spacer Bead Set. So we've got some, oh my gosh, little rose gold spacers, but we've also got little tiny silver daisies. Those are so cute. They're not really like daisy spacers, but they're like little flowers. They're so cute. And those are pretty hefty rose gold beads. We've got a rose gold findings kit. Now, I will be honest, rose gold isn't my favorite color. And it could just be because in the past I've had a lot of stuff tarnish. I don't know if these will do that, but we've got this findings kit, head pins, jump rings, ear wires, and a couple different clasps, which one is a really big one. I'm probably not going to use the rose gold. I'm just putting that out there. I will probably just switch over to gold because I love gold. We've got a strawberry milk dip-dyed tassel pair. Now, a lot of you know I don't like tiny tassels, but I do like bigger ones. These are adorable. I love, this looks like bubble tea almost. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. Look at the ombre on there. So, so cute. Whoever put this together needs a raise because it's adorable. And then we have Strawberry Blooms Bead Mix. It's a mini bead mix. There's so much going on in this box. Guys, hopefully it's not sold out by the time I put this video up. Oh, I'll be sad if it's sold out. Oh my gosh, I actually bought some beads, like a strand of these. But it's so cute. Oh my gosh, these look like little ice creams, but they're little like raffia covered balls. Ooh, look at the Shambhala strawberries. Oh my gosh, and the little dots are supposed to be the seeds. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. We got little acrylic berry beads. Oh, these are cute little connectors. I can't wait to make the bracelet. Oh my gosh, little ladybugs. Ladybugs are in. I will be actually having some, oh, I'm hoping in my new drop on in my shop, I'll be having some ladybugs. It's not going well, guys. I might even have to push it back because I'm just overloaded at the moment. But I'm hoping for March 30th. So cute. Spacers there. This is so cute. Some rose gold rhinestone spacers. We've got some little bicones. I like these. These are really nice. What are these? These are silicone. I love the shape. They're squishy. Silicone beads, 2 glass faceted coins, some glass pearls, and some rondelles. That was a cute little mix. The strawberries and the ladybugs sealed the deal for me on that one. And then this cute little mix that I'm about to show you. It's Strawberry Fields. Oh my gosh, there's even more in here. I was covering it up. Strawberry Fields bead mix. But before we go through that, the last thing in the box is this rose gold chain trio. We've got some hearts, like just a link, and then some almost paper clippy chain. This is nice chain. Again, not my favorite color, but if you like rose gold, you're going to be in heaven with this one. Love this bead mix. I can already see a bunch of different strawberries, some little flowers. I'm like dying to get in here. It's so cute. Right. First things I'm seeing are these pink strawberries. So, so cute. We've got, these almost look like dragon fruit, but I'll give it to them that they're strawberries. And they're like almost, look at the white part at the top. Little nubbies on them, so cute. They do like strawberries more than dragon fruit, looking at them a little bit more closely. We've got some opaque squares or cubes. They're not really cubes. These are painted. Oop. We've got some little flowers that have a beautiful AB on them, or Aurora Borealis. And these are kind of like the flowers that you see in Millefiori beads, but they're not Millefiori. They're just little flowers. They're so stinking cute. Oh my gosh, I might have to make like a bracelet stack, I think, because there's so many cute beads in this entire box. We've got some pale blue rondelles, some rounds. I honestly can't tell what these are. They might be glass. Oh, some teeny tiny rondelle spacers. Some bead caps, little filigree bead caps in silver. I like that this mix has some mixed metal in it. Some rice beads, rice-shaped glass pearls. I'm thinking they're glass. And some twisted clear coins and some little pink bicones. Oh my gosh, the dopamine rush I got from this box was ridiculous. I had the same reaction to last month's box too, and I just loved it so much. This one I even love even more, but I think it's because fruit and like the pink and the turquoise, like the minute my eyes saw it, I was like, oh, you were there. You were there. You saw what happened. But absolutely my favorite thing. Second favorite thing. And then everything else I just love, love, love. So we're going to make a bracelet in the tutorial at least. It's not going to be in this video. This is just the unboxing. But please, please, please check out the affiliate link below. That helps my channel. Honestly, it's helping you get your hands on this box if it's still available. Let me know what you thought about the box. And I hope I see you soon. Stay tuned for Goldie. She's super cute. Bye-bye. He's so cute. He's such a cutie. Yeah. Hi, cutie. Hi.